Okay, so what if I tell you that you can get a solar roof for your house right now, no money down whatsoever. You'll pay less than your cell phone bill, and then there's absolutely no contracts. Like, you can literally just return it anytime you want. You will normally call me crazy, but not today, not after I tell you this news from Tesla.
Taking over the world, electrifying the world, E4 Electric!
Welcome to E4 Electric, your number one source of unbiased electric car news. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click on that subscribe button down there so you don't miss anything moving forward. I know we're not talking about electric cars per se, but we are talking about Tesla product, and in a relatively let's just call it very surprising announcement on Twitter. Elon said that basically starting right now, and the website has been updated, and I'll even show it to you. It's right here. Not the best looking website. They obviously spend more money on the deal than the website design, but they basically are saying that you can have solar panels, not the solar roof, the solar panels installed in your house, nothing upfront, absolutely, and then you will pay $50 a month. $65 if you're in California. Now, there are only a few states that they're launching it right now, which is Arizona, California, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New Mexico. Now, they are not offering it at Mars because apparently we're not going to have Mars. Apparently there's like sometimes, but we'll get to that later. So this deal is actually, again, it's almost too good to be true. Now, there are some details that are missing, but let's talk about the pricing. There are three different options, and it depends on how big your house is, how big your roof is, and so forth. So the small one, you start at 60. Now, these are California prices, so just like I said, in California for the small ones it's $65 a month, but in all other states actually where it's being offered right now is just 50, right? But we'll go with California because that's probably where they're really going to start doing this, where the most of the interest is going to be. Then the medium is $130 a month, and then $195 a month for the large house. Now, I gotta tell you, my electric bill here, well, let's just take it when I had my Tesla here and my Volt. So together, my bill was about 200 plus, and my house is relatively small. It's only 1,000 square feet. So this actually is not a bad deal. They're saying, you're probably going to end up saving anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a year, which actually doesn't sound like that much. Yes, it is savings, but so I'm not really, but there's so little to do here and to spend that I can see how a lot of people might say, okay, maybe I'll try this. But so there are a few questions that I would probably ask before moving forward with this. So let's talk about those. Before that, of course, a quick reminder that this video and this show is sponsored by Byton. Check out the all-electric Ambite, the electric SUV coming to the US and Europe, started at only $45,000 before the incentive. So look how fast it is to reserve one, mainly because there is no payment form. That's right. It's absolutely free to reserve this one. So go to the description of this video and join myself and 50,000 other people and reserve your Byton today. All right, so let's talk about this, and let's talk about the pricing, but really some of the questions that I would like to be answered before I would move forward with this type of a deal. And that is basically, okay, so what if I want, I can get it right now, and in 3 weeks later I want it gone? Well, they will uninstall it, but they will charge you $1,500. They're saying they're not making any money on this. This is just their cost to come back and take everything back, make sure that the roof is fine. And actually, even that doesn't sound that bad, because in some cases your cell phone or your cable bill, if you want to quit the contract in the very beginning, that will cost you very much similar amount of money in many cases. So this is not bad. And now the questions are also, well, what if you want to keep it at some point, right? If you don't want to really have it, but you want to keep it, also, what is the relationship between, you're essentially just paying Tesla, right? It's a flat fee, and this is what's great about it, right? A lot of people don't get the solar panels because, there's so many different rates that depend on these things, and they get so confused, like, I'm out of here. As a matter of fact, I would say if somebody would tell me, like, hey, Alex, how much would it cost you to put solar panels on your roof? I'll be like, dude, I didn't even want to get into this because it's just too complicated. So this definitely simplifies it, because you just, pay Tesla, and then, of course, you save the money. Now, what I actually tweeted back at Elon, not that he's gonna reply to me, although that has happened before, is basically like, well, this to me, solar panels only make sense with a energy storage, and that would be great if they could combine it, and so you can do the same thing. You would kind of rent out, if you will, and have a flat monthly fee of the power pack, power wall, whatever you want to call it. And that way, it's a whole different story because one thing you're harvesting the energy, another thing is you're saving it to use it later when you don't really have to use your utility company. That way you're pretty much a guarantee not to use a utility company. You can also easily go through any power outages, right, where you still have to have a power outage if it's at night, for example, and your utility company is not able to provide electricity while sun is also not. So I hope they would move forward to that. I don't really understand the math here, because when Solar City was acquired by Tesla, they were losing a lot of money because they were leasing this. So how is this really different in terms of on a back end for Tesla? So I'm a little bit concerned about the finances there. They're obviously going to have these financed somewhere, or maybe financing themselves, and then taking a lot of debt. So I don't know. I don't know how that's going to look on a balance sheet, and I mean, obviously, we'll see what happens. Now, what about Solar Roof, right? You guys know that I reported on the Solar Roof a while back, and I was really excited back then because I really think it's a breakthrough product, but nothing really has happened until very recently, where Elon Musk said, well, we're actually going to start producing these at 1,000 solar roofs per week, which is more than Model S's that they produce per week. I was really excited. Now, there's a possibility that also broke one of the SEC rules that they've agreed on in the settlement, but I guess even SEC doesn't want to comment on that. But he did send it out, but we don't know how. It looks like the Buffalo factory, the Gigafactory 2, is mainly is not producing enough, and I think the reason for that is because they're also having to figure out how to decrease the amount of time that it takes to install these. And I know they're working on it, but there is a report from CNBC that they're actually going to start practicing on their own factory here in Fremont, California, and going to start installing the solar roof on top of the factory. Now, I think that's really, really awesome. I guess they applied for permits, and that's how CNBC was able to figure it out. But I think a lot of us have been kind of waiting that for a long time. I know the Gigafactory in Nevada has been getting panels, but the factory in Fremont we had no news of ever having any type of solar panels, solar energy powering up the factory. So now with the possibility of solar roof powering that factory, we're talking about a whole different thing. So this is pretty exciting. I don't know how they're doing this. I don't know how it's going to look on their balance sheets, but let's see how many people going to get into this, because it sounds very simple, sounds very cheap, and almost good, but because it's Tesla, I think people are going to jump on that. So let me know if you're going to be one of those people, and if this is something that you're interested in. Also, don't forget to participate in our affiliate YouTuber program. Just for $5 a month, you can provide this cute guy over here a shelter, a water, and some video equipment, which are very important. So you can also watch me live. That's another perk. Go to patreon.com/E4Electric. And of course, thank you to one of my newer Patreons. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I tried in the mirror earlier today, did not work out. So thank you for being one of the newer Patreons. And of course, don't forget to get on our VIP list. We're sending out bonus stories at the end of each week, absolutely free. E4Electric.com/VIP. All right, that's pretty much it. Looking forward to your comments. Other than that, see you next time, and remember to stay charged.